This is not mandatory, but why to hide it? Let's go through it. So here you need to enter history of all the trips that you have made taken outside your home country or the one you live in last 10 years or since 18th birthday, whichever is more recent. So in this case, let's say 18th birthday, tourism, business, training, any other reason. Continue. Okay, so again, you have to put your name in native language too. So I'll put Smith John. This already we have taken outside. Okay, so I select did not travel. Continue. Now spouse and common law, this is not applicable. So I'll say not applicable. It's given here. If a section does not apply, select do not travel. Same thing here. Kids also discard guide does not have any kid. So I'll just say not applicable. Okay, we managed to finish.